Hi guys, so don't mind me, I'm in my gym clothes because I'm definitely supposed to be doing other things and running errands right now, but I just am not. I am just going to film this and I'm going to try to make it really quick, but it's almost just like a life update. It's not really, I don't really know, it's not like much, but I am doing this really big thing in like a month and a half, and that is I am moving. I am moving states away. I'm going to live with my grandparents and with around and with all other family members, like extended family members that I really only get to see once or twice a year. And I'm moving alone. I'm not moving with my whole family. It's just me moving out of this room to a totally different state. Totally different state. And I have been wanting to do this for, realistically, I've been trying to make this happen since I was graduating from high school. I was going to go to college out there, and I ended up not going to college. I ended up going to cosmetology school. So I was going to go to a cosmetology school there, but things just happened and I never went, and I really should have gone then. But yeah, so this has been in the works for a long time, and then I had my sister's bachelor's college graduation last year, just about a year ago, and I was with all my family and they're telling me all these things, and I just got this ache, like I just needed to be there with them and like live there, and I've just felt like I always was supposed to live there. And that's when it really started. It was a year ago pretty much that the whole process started, because it's a really long process for me, because I am an esthetician, I'm licensed. I have to transfer my license to this other state to be able to get a job there. I can't work there unless I have a license there. So I didn't really want to move and retake a bunch of tests, so I looked up this way that you can do license by endorsement, is what it's called, because it didn't have reciprocity. These states didn't have reciprocity. So that took a long time. It was a lot of paperwork. It was a lot of back and forth. I had to go to my current state board, and that took a really long time. And then I had to get like coworkers and like employers to sign off on things, and it was just a lot. And I finally got everything approved. I got all the money. I paid everything, and then now, really, all I am doing now is waiting for a response from my new state board to see if I'm licensed, but I have made plans anyway, and if it doesn't work out, like if they say no for whatever reason, I'm just going to be moving, like living there, and going to try and work it out while I'm there, because I've made all these plans now. So about a month and a half from now I will be living in another state. Don't really know how YouTube videos are going to keep going on. I don't know what the setup's going to be. It's going to be a totally different room. Like, I film where I film because I have two windows right here and it's natural lighting. I have a place to put everything. I'm probably going to have a much smaller space and maybe less time, because I'm hoping I'm going to be spending my time with like friends, like new friends and like family, and I don't know, hopefully not hiding in my room all the time. I think it's going to be a good change. I'm definitely very, very nervous and scared, and I'm going to miss my family here so much, and I'm going to be super homesick. I do know that. Like, I'm not oblivious. I'm not like super naive. Like, I'm not planning to feel perfectly fine and happy and dandy and it's going to be the greatest moment of my life. Like, I know that's not, like, I'm not running away from my problems. I'm just, this is something I've been wanting to do for a long time. It finally hit at a good time in my life and in my work where I was just like, you know what? It's time. Like, I'm not happy. I just feel like I need a change of pace. I'm not running away from my problems. I'm still going to have the same problems wherever I go, most likely, but it's just, I don't know, I feel like I will be happier. I feel like I'll have, like here, all my friends are at college. I only get to see them a couple of times throughout the months, but I feel like I'm going to have more people there I don't know. I don't really know. It's just going to be, it's a totally different lifestyle there as well. It's going to be completely different. Like, I know it because I've grown up there, like, summers and holidays and stuff, I've gone there. I've gone there on vacations a bunch of times. It's just my favorite place to be, so I'm just hoping that, like, I can really adapt to the lifestyle. And everyone keeps telling me, because when I went through this really long phase where I was like, I don't know if I want to do this anymore. And it was like, I was too deep into the process to, like, be saying that. And all my friends and all these people are like, you know, like, you're gonna do it. You're gonna go. You've been wanting to do this. You're just scared. Like, it's gonna be okay, and you can always come home. If you try it out and you really don't like it, you can always come home. And that's, like, one of the most comforting thoughts. But I don't want to be saying that and being like, no, I'm not gonna like my family out there. I need to come home. I think it's gonna be perfect. I think I was just psyching myself out and getting freaked out because I was worked up and stressed about all the packing and moving and all that. So I really don't know how to pack. I've never moved. I've started packing a little bit, but now I'm like, what do I even need to pack? I've been trying to downsize everything, get rid of makeup, get rid of clothes, get rid of jewelry, get rid of, like, all these things that, like, I don't need to bring with me because I'm not going to have as much room, and I'm driving. I'm not renting any sort of U-Haul or anything. Right now, the plan is that my family's coming up for my sister's master's graduation, and I'm going to have them take some of my stuff back with them if they can. Hopefully they can. That's when I was originally planning on moving, but then my friend was like, hey, I will go with you to this. My whole family in that new state has this big 4th of July celebration every year. This year we're doing it super early in June, so my friend was like, hey, like, I want to see what that 4th of July celebration's like you've always wanted me to go, like, I want to go with you, I will road trip this whole thing with you and help you move and celebrate this holiday with your family if you want me to. And I'm like, heck yeah! I think it's really gonna help, like, with my anxieties and, like, my homesickness and, like, adapting to the new lifestyle. I really think it will help. Also, it's just gonna be, like, one last hurrah for, like, me and my friend that, like, I don't know when I'm gonna see her again. It's kind of really sad to think about, but, like, road tripping it with my friend, I think, because, like, 14 hours is a long time to drive by yourself, and I just think we're gonna make the best of it. It's gonna be a good time. I think it will help me really get into it. And I also think that moving during this celebration, not during the celebration, but, like, getting there, and it almost just feels like I'm going on vacation, and that's how, like, that's what I always do. I always just go there on vacation, and then I never want to leave. And I think that going there for a big celebration is going to be great. It's going to be like, okay, this is what I'm used to, and then I'll be able to get into the swing of regular routine life after that a lot easier, instead of hopping right into a regular routine life that I'm not used to there. Like, I don't know. It's confusing, but it makes sense to me. I think it's going to be helpful. And so I'm gonna pack up some of my stuff and send it about a month earlier than I actually move. So that's the plan. It's gonna be very different. I don't know how YouTube's gonna go, because, like, I never really keep up continuously with YouTube all the time. But I'm hoping that me, and you've met my cousin Lindsay on here, if you watch my videos, that we will do some sort of videos together. She seems to be excited about that. I'm just excited to be there with her. It's just going to be a huge life change, and I'm just hoping everything works out and that it's all great. And I don't really know what other information to put in here, except that, like, that's what's happening right now in my life. I am finishing up at work. I am I'm going to write my resignation and put in, like, I think I need to put in more than 2 weeks notice, because I'm kind of, I'm a lead esthetician at my spa, so, like, I feel like I need to put in more notice to help them situate everything before I go, and, like, maybe find someone to fill my position. Like, I don't really know what they want me to do, but I'm just to be that person. I'm gonna give as much notice as I can. And yeah, I don't really know. Like, I'm just kind of avoiding running errands and going to the gym right now, but I just wanted to give this big life update. I don't really know what else to put in here. Yeah, I'm gonna miss all my friends. I have this whole, like, I don't know, I'm just gonna miss all my friends here. I'm gonna miss my dogs so much, and my mom and my sisters and just everybody here, my little baby cousins. I'm gonna miss them, but I also have been missing all my family there for my entire life. I've been missing them. Like, I just feel like I'm constantly saying, oh, I miss them, oh, I missed out on this, oh, I missed out on that, and like there's like a bunch of things that are planning on happening there. I don't really want to put it in here, but it's like big life changes for other people, and I want to be there for that and like be a part of that, because I feel like I'm always missing out on the big stuff. But yeah, that. I just really want to be there, be part of the family, and if I don't like it, I can always come home. But you know, I don't think that's gonna happen. I think it's just, I'm really nervous, but I'm really excited. I have to learn how to pack. I have to learn what to bring. I need to figure out car insurance information, how to get internet set up there, save my money, actually find a job, actually get licensed and actually find a job and start saving money. It's gonna be way, way crazy, way hectic, way stressful, but it's gonna be, I'm learning how to adult is what's happening. I need to find new doctors, I need to find a new therapist, I need to learn how to get my prescriptions changed over. Like all these things that you never probably would have thought of, like I'm having to do all that. It's really crazy, but I'm excited. So my camera's going to die. I really do need to go run these errands, and yeah, so I hope that I don't know what I hope from this. I just hope maybe you enjoyed hearing about my life a little bit, but that's what's going on. Maybe you kind of know me in person, like in real life, but don't really, and kind of know this information, but kind of don't. So like, here it is. There it goes for you. I'm moving. So yeah. Whew. Alright, well, thanks for watching. I will see you when I see you. I don't know. Maybe I'll have another video, maybe I won't, but I'll see you when I see you. Bye, guys.